C-Square is a passionate Pakistani company, first of all. We're very proud that we're headquartered in Pakistan, have presence in Dubai and Bahrain. We take great pride that we've done a lot of global deployments and global projects. So we specialize in a software called Genesis. It's one of the leading customer engagement or customer experience solution provider globally. So we specialize in customer engagement. We've recently launched a Urdu speech bot. In addition to that, we work to serve basically banks in Pakistan. So that's what overall C-Square does. We've recently innovated and we made a account opening kiosk that is fabricated in Pakistan, assembled in Pakistan, that can open a bank account in 1 minute and issue an ATM card there and then. So answering your question in a nutshell, call centers and digital engagement solutions and other automation, जैसे कि bots के through automation है, जैसे Siri है, आप Siri से English में you talk to Siri in English, and then we created something that understands Urdu. There is, I think, very few or maybe there is none in the market that actually a bot that can understand Urdu in natural language. So that's where the world is moving towards. That's where the shift is happening. So you see, first of all, I'll identify the geography for this, the market for this bot, right? It's not only Pakistan, it's Middle East as well. Why do I say Middle East? Because there are so many expats, there are so many labor class people who use Etisalat SIM, for example, who use Saudi Telecom SIM, or who bank with the XYZ bank. Basic 4 किस्म की सर्विस होती है किसी एक नॉर्मल आदमी की कि मुझे डेटा पैकेज एक्टिव कराना है या मुझे टॉप अप कराना है या I want to transfer some money or something of that sort. So this all can be done through a bot. You don't need a human being to answer that. If you increase the customer base, you can't add thousands of or hundreds of resources on the call center. तो आप bot को introduce करें. And again, bots बहुत frustrating भी हो सकते हैं. तो we are building intelligence in the bots. कि they understand your frustration, they understand your voice, they understand your emotions. सही है, तो अगर मैं एक चीज़ बोल रहा हूँ बार-बार और वो नहीं समझ रहा, तो फिर मैं एजेंट को राउट कर दूँ ताकि वो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहे फिर भी. Because normally होता है कस्टमर फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाता है, फ़ोन बंद कर देता है अगर वो बॉट इज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हिम. सो वी हैव क्रिएटेड an Urdu voice, Urdu chat, and even we are developing Roman English now, Roman Urdu. Your thumb is your biometric, your eye is unique, your voice is also unique. Every human being has is a unique voice. Voice biometrics is something that no one can really, people say you can imitate your voice, but still, even if you imitate, the machine can actually understand the difference between the imitations. So we're working on voice biometrics. Globally, companies ने बना लिया है, but they're very expensive today. So we want to build it in Pakistan at a low cost and try to position it as a global product. Fortunately for technology companies, there is business. Why? Because organizations like banks, telcos, logistics companies, airlines, they now understand that they need to invest in the right tools and they need to calculate the return on investment. And so now the buying trends have changed, how they're looking to buy. There are also SaaS models, so on cloud, so there's not upfront one large cost. You can take the technology on cloud now, which is very feasible. But obviously we have some limitations from the regulator point of view as well. But I think soon in the next 5-6 years that should also be sorted out, that the regulator will become flexible enough, because in the global market there has to be openness. You can't shut yourself and you can't keep yourself in a bubble. How do we build customers? By building trust, A. B, by delivering on our commitments. For us, I think support irrespective, there's one contractual obligation and there's one personal obligation to a customer as well. If there's something off the contract, but because you want to keep that relationship, you will go that extra mile to keep him happy. So that's how we build customers and that's how we retain customers. Fortunately, organizations, service industry organizations need to understand all customers' needs are personalized and a wow experience. So technology now then plays a very important role over here, because technology can enable businesses to understand their customer behavior, sell them the right product through the right channel at the right time. Your customers will be king, and they have been king, but now the customers will decide, if they're working with an organization, how they want to work with that organization. That's how strong the customers will become. All organizations, whoever actually utilizes data the best will be the leader, right? It's all about utilizing and making decisions proactively and predicting So data is king for every industry. It's about how you utilize that data. The companies or the businesses who will be able to have the first mover advantage of utilizing that data will take the floor. And I know now it's all artificial intelligence, machine learning. Securing something does not mean that you need to create operational hindrances. You need to actually come up with a balance. कि मुझे services भी देनी है, मगर secure भी है, so it has to be a good mix of both. Security is always an evolving thing. Today, your hackers are more powerful than what they were 2 years ago, 5 years ago. So it's a continuous process, right, of improving your security, yet keeping your processes very innovative and very easy. You can't make it very rigid कि भाई security का मसला है इसलिए हम ये service दे ही नहीं सकते. You need to service the customer, but you need to think about a middle ground security. I personally feel that Pakistan is a phenomenal country. Yes, people complain that times are not good and issues are happening. I do understand that there is a sort of a downturn, but I personally feel that this country has a lot to offer. I am very proud, passionate about this fact that this country has a lot to offer, and young people should take the advantage of this and try to do something here.